Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Hyundai Kona versus Kia Seltos full comparison. Focus on driving feel, interior space, tech, and price to choose the right compact SUV. I'll guide you through engine options, cargo capacity, fuel economy differences, and available safety features in simple terms. By the end, you'll understand which model suits daily commutes, family needs, or spirited weekend drives without getting lost in specs and jargon. The Kona leans toward sportier driving, while the Seltos prioritizes comfort and composed highway cruising, so pick based on your driving habits. Engines range from efficient naturally aspirated versions to peppier turbo units that change the character of each car significantly. I'll explain real-world fuel numbers, typical highway versus city behavior, and which trims feel best for daily commuting or longer trips, making the choice straightforward and practical for you. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more helpful car guides. Quick recommendation: grab those leak-proof containers for meal prep, great for bringing lunches on road trips or packing snacks for test drives, and they stack neatly in either cargo area. I've put the product link and extra deals in the description, so check that out. And now let's get back to the video. Inside, the Seltos generally wins on rear legroom and cargo versatility, which matters if you carry passengers or gear often. The Kona offers a snugger, more driver-oriented cockpit with sportier seats that appeal to those who prioritize engagement. We'll compare available tech, material quality, and storage solutions so you can weigh comfort against style and utility, and decide which interior setup matches your daily routine and weekend plans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.